made my art even better, I think, because I get all this energy from these kids. They're talking about things that they would never usually talk about, talking about art.
I got to see art in a different way, and I became so enthusiastic about it, it was so contagious, and then the students became so enthusiastic about it, and they started to see art as something that's accessible, and something that comes from here and comes from here, and something that they can do as well. And they gained a lot of confidence, they gained a lot of respect, and there were so many spin-offs as a result.
I like coming here and I love looking at things that make me think, I wonder how this person did it, or I would like to mimic this one day, or try something like it one day.
I can't honestly say that touring all the galleries that I have toured over the years has changed my life, but this is changing my life.
Well, because I had trouble writing, I put my creative writing career on hold for some time, and the arts really filled that void.
We're living a hard journey, and the art is really helping us to stay resilient and managing day by day.
Just making art accessible to the kids, making the kids realize that art is not something out there, but it's something that can come within, and that the kids have opinions, and their opinions can count too.
Even now, I'm going through depression, and art actually helps me out through a lot of things.
Even fathom never being able to create, never being able to create.
I say gallery every month or every few months, they change the theme, and I love that because you never know what's going to happen next. Unless you go to the website.
So art has changed my life, especially in the last year, and it's changing my life day by day.